Alright, about to do some deer meat smash burgers on the old Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready. Just heating it up, throwing a little olive oil on there. You don't want to get you a burger spatula from Blackstone. It makes amazing smash burgers. Spread that oil around, or as my wife likes to say, that Earl around. We're doing deer meat smash burgers, and my beautiful wife prepped them with some chopped onions and garlic and some other stuff. Proprietary. Y'all don't get to know. Alright, once this grill gets it going here, we'll be ready to go. Alright, grill is good and hot. Turn the heat down a little bit on the Blackstone. I don't know what that is. Alright, let's throw these suckers on here. This is deer meat I got up in northern Louisiana this year. See the chickens. Mr. Rooster was just getting ready to populate the species a second ago. Get them sizzling. Now the difference between smash burgers and regular burgers is the fact that you smash them. When I first heard about this style or technique of burgers, I was like, well, that's just dumb. But once I did it, they're the best burgers ever. So you just push down on them, kind of flatten them out with the Blackstone smash burger spatula. And what it does is it like caramelizes the onions and garlic, and it kind of gives a nice crispy edge to the meat, and it's fantastic. Like, I don't want regular burgers anymore. I gotta do my burgers this way now. And if you've never had venison burgers, they're special. If you got a Blackstone, the key to being able to just open the lid up and start cooking, as soon as you're finished cooking, take the 3-5 minutes, whatever it takes, to clean the thing. Clean it up. You know, do the paper towel thing and the scraper thing and get all the burnt schmoo off of there and oil it back up, and then you don't have to be all mad when you open the lid and it's all rusty and stupid. That's on you. Take the time. Ooh, these are looking good. I'm an extra flipper guy, so I'll flip it, and then I'll probably flip it again back the other way. If you could smell what I was smelling, go to the petting zoo and kill a deer. Ooh, and all that deliciousness. trust my wife season these up good, but I love this Kinder stuff, the wood-fired garlic. I just like to add that to everything. You can get that at Sam's, I think, maybe other places. So I'm a multiple flipper, so I'm gonna flip them again. Throw a little bit more of this on there. These are ready to be cheesed up. It doesn't take them long when you smash them because they're so thin. With my deer meat, I like to make sure it's cooked. Do a little Colby and Monterey on there. Shut the lid for a second just to let the cheese melt. Mr. Rooster out there. Let's see what we're dealing with. Oh yeah, look at that. Give it a couple more minutes on with the lid closed. If you got these griddle flat top grills and it doesn't have a lid, well, you're doing it wrong. The lid helps so much. Couple more seconds and we'll be done. You want some deer meat, dude? Mr. Rooster, you want some deer meat? No, I guess not. Oh yeah, now we're done. Kick the heat off. Throw them on a tray. Alright, buddy. And here's where you wanna take the time and clean this. Just throw some water on there. Get your scraper. Get all that cooked schmoo on there. Dump it into the grease trap. Get everything off. Let's just kill the burner. And do that. Then get your paper towel. Just get the remnants out. Do it while the grill's hot and you already got all your stuff out here. And just take a couple extra minutes. It makes such a big difference. Get it all nice and clean. Doesn't take a lot. Put a little more olive oil back on it. Don't need a lot. Get you another paper towel and just spread that back around. That's all it takes. It's ready for the next time. Later.